Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Jeep Cherokee side mirror full guide. Start by confirming whether you have a heated or powered mirror and order the correct replacement part. Next, gather basic tools including trim tools and a socket set. Work in a well-lit area and always disconnect the battery to prevent electrical shorts. Keep fasteners organized and take photos to remember connector placements for easier reassembly at the end. In this video, I will explain how to replace Jeep Cherokee side mirror full guide. Begin by lowering the window slightly to reach trim clips, then remove the interior mirror access panel. Carefully pry off the panel to expose 3 mounting bolts and the electrical connector. Disconnect the wiring plug by pressing the release tab, then support the mirror as you remove the bolts. Set the old mirror aside and compare it to the replacement to ensure correct fit and connector type. In this video, I will explain how to replace Jeep Cherokee side mirror full guide. Position the new mirror on the door and start all mounting bolts by hand to avoid cross-threading. Reconnect the electrical connector and reconnect the battery briefly to test power adjustments and heating. If all functions work, finish torquing bolts to spec. Replace the interior trim panel and secure all clips and screws. Finally, confirm mirror stability and correct view from the driver's seat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.